Welcome to the video. If you're wondering how to see and unblock users on Roblox, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to unblock players on Roblox using your Android device. It's easy, so let's dive in. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up the main menu options. Step 3. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can adjust all your account preferences. Step 4. Now, select Privacy from the list of options. This is where you can manage your privacy settings, including who can contact you and who you've blocked. Step 5. Scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page, and you'll see the list of users you've blocked. Step 6. To unblock someone, simply tap Unblock next to their name. And that's it. The user will be unblocked, and you can interact with them again. It's that simple. Just follow these steps, and you can easily unblock users on Roblox anytime you need to. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.